next up, Keith and Rhys are going to show what they did in their Waerden.
That's all like this.
Oh my god. Get ready to be super impressed. Alright, so for this game, I decided to use JavaScript, because that's what I've done for many years in my job, and I thought, oh, I should make a JavaScript game. Yeah, so anyway, I thought it would be a really great idea to use HTML, because often roguelikes and RPGs are very UI heavy, like inventory screens and like, leveling up and all your stats and all that stuff. But the irony is that because I didn't really know what I was doing, I had to do with this raycasting, and I didn't find a good raycasting library, and I thought I'll just implement it all myself. Turns out that I spent so long doing that, which would have been very easy in Unity, that I didn't implement any UI at all. So I only had costs for doing it this way and no savings. But I did learn some things. So this is the cool logo I made, probably one of the coolest parts of the game. So my idea was that one of the cool things about old ASCII roguelikes is everything only moves when you move. So if you move to the right, everything else will move, like an enemy will move just at the same time as you. So you have as long as you want to decide what you want to do, but then as soon as you move, everyone acts at the same time. And I like that a lot because I like the genre. But I think that the having a grid is really arbitrary. So I always wanted to make a game like this where you're actually able to move freely and everything else moves while you're moving, and while you're stopped, you still have as long as you want to decide. So in this level, there's nothing there, but we can go up to the next level. So it's called Heart of the Chronosphere because you're traveling through a sphere. So this is the first slice of the sphere, and I can go up the stairs, and now I'm on the next slice. And here's some enemies, which I'm just going to quickly walk away from. Oh, one of them shot me. So anyway, let's see if they walk around and stuff. Oh, they're shooting me. See how they move when I move? This is the concept. I can also shoot at them. And it's all a bit confusing because I really rushed it out at the end there, as I mentioned. But this is basically the game that I've made. And the coolest thing about it is this view thing. You can see this gray. Yeah, it's really obvious on the TV. So that shows me all the areas I can see. And the aim of the game is just to get through this sphere. So I go over here and go up the stairs. Yeah, this is all 3D. So this is technically 3D. Right, so I've got a 6-shooter. So it says up here, ammo 2 out of 6. And I can reload my gun. And every time I do it, the enemies can move because I'm spending time. And the plan was that I'd have all these actions I could do, like change weapon, pick something up, drop something, press a button, open a chest, whatever, all this stuff that I had imagined that I had time to do. And like all those actions would have a time cost, so the whole time you're kind of like trading off what you want to do, because that will give enemies an opportunity to attack you. Obviously I didn't do that, but I'm still pretty happy with the concept. And I think as a base system, it kind of makes sense. And one day I'll probably revisit this, but in Unity instead, and just start from scratch. But yeah, anyway, that was Heart of the Chronosphere.
Cool.